Conference will now be recorded.
Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Let me open Visual Studio Code and let's open the folder. Seems we already started JavaScript. Okay, just give me 1 second. I need to close this. Okay, file open folder. Desktop. Okay. So today what I want to do is just want to create a simple calculator using by all the arithmetic operators what we have, right? So can we do a simple calculator? Okay, what calculator can contain with? Okay, let me have a calci program, mini project, calci mini project, the kind of thing. Let's have two text boxes, and having few buttons, and result heading. For result, I want to take the heading tag. Okay, so how the process will be, I will tell you. Okay, let me have the calculator like this. Okay, let me have two text boxes. Yeah. Let me have two text boxes here, and I need to add a few buttons here. One is the plus, one is the minus, one is the star, one is the division, and one is a modulus value, and one more is opponent value. And finally, I need to show the result value here. This is the result area, result value. And here, this is something like enter first number, enter second number. Simple calculator. This is simple calculator. Okay. Okay. This is the plus symbol. When you can do operation called plus, and this is the minus, and this is the star, and here it is slash. Slash is something like division, right? And this is a percentile where you can perform remainder value, and this is something like a opponent value. Finally, I need to see the result value. This kind of calculator I want to do. How to do this calculator, sir? What is the process? Only on events. Only on events. How to do this calculator? Please tell me. Tell me the process. We already done click event. We already done double click event. We already done focus blur events, and a lot of events we done. But used by all these events, how to do this calculator? Anyone, please tell me. Anyone, please tell me. Rohit, Mahesh,
Just
or
accept
Tamu.
the accept box.
And
Tell me.
also implement the logic behind the key.
What kind of logic I need to write for this? When
Automatic
I
logic.
click when I click on plus button, when I click on plus button, it need to accept the two numbers from the fields, right? And do the operation. And can I go with the click event for all these things?
Yes, yes,
Can I go with the click event?
yes,
There is a function called add. There is a
yeah.
function called subtraction. There is a function called multiplication. There is a function
Subtraction,
called
multiplication, division,
division and percentile and
percentile.
opponent value. Opponent value.
Yes, yes.
Right. Let me go. Let me go. Simple calculator with good interface. Simple calculator with good interface. Okay. Calci mini project. Calci mini project. Okay. Let's take the calculator. Oh my god, this is text taken. Huh? Dot html. Okay. Now try to do Calci. Write down the interface. Okay. Let me take center. Inside center, I took input type text or type number. You can take type number. Type number. Okay. So here first placeholder is enter first number. Enter first number. After that, one more input. Type number again. Placeholder is enter last number. And I would like to take buttons here. The first button is plus. The first button is plus. How many buttons are needed? Let me have the class for this button called add. Okay, I need to copy this and go for multiple buttons. Subtraction, multiplication, division, percentile, modular division. And this is a subtraction and this is a multiplication. This is a division and this is a modulus. This is a mod and this is the opponent. Fine. So change the symbols. Change the symbols. This is the minus. This is the star. This is the slash. This is what modulus. This is the double star. Okay. So let's go. Any other things needed? One H1. I want to see the result. Okay. Result is result. You can print the result value here. You can print the result value. Okay. After the result, I took one more H1, and this is empty basically. This is empty, but I need to fill this H1 by the result. Okay. Take the class called result. Now start your JavaScript. First of all, I need to get feel this good look and feel. Let me write down the style sheet also for this. Open the live server. Open live server. Okay, I got something like just give me 1 second. Yeah, this is what actually my calculator is. Can I go like this? Is it good
Yeah, yeah.
interface? Is it good interface? Let me change something.
Break after second line.
Can I take break here?
Yes.
I would like to take break here also. Let's see. Yeah, I would like to take 2 more breaks. Copy this, paste here, and paste here. Okay, now I will write a style sheet for this. Let me write some style sheet for the buttons. Okay, all the buttons have some good background color. Let me take a blue violet background color, and text color should be white, and some padding I want to apply. Padding 5 pixel, and all sides margin 5 pixel. So I'm trying to writing some CSS for all these things. Okay, then after that, for input boxes, I would like to write some style. Let me take some border 2 pixel solid blue violet. Okay, and border radius I'm giving like 10 pixel 20 pixel, 10 pixel 20 pixel. Now you can see how the output is. Okay, little bit changed, modified, little bit changed and modified. Okay, am I clear? Okay, enter first number, enter last number. This border radius is too much actually. Let me take 5 and 10, 5 pixel and 10 pixel. That is good. 5 pixel and 10 pixel. That is good. Seems good. And buttons, some button is actually very is not good, looking good. Better you can take spans, sir. Instead of taking the button, better you can take spans. Okay, no problem. Right now it will work out. Let me write down the script for this. Tell me the script, how to write the script. If you understand addition, later you can do the remaining things very easily. Can I write the script for the first one? Document dot get elements by class name. Get elements by class name. Name of the class is add. Name of the class is add of 0. Then dot add event listener. Dot add event listener. Listener name is click, and the function name is add. Okay, write down the function add function. Function add. Function add. Now I need to access two values. Let me take a variable as result, or directly you can assign the value for the h1. This h1 class called result. Okay, result, that is result. Okay, result of 0. Dot inner HTML I want to add. Getting the inner HTML by the addition of the values. What are the two values I need to add? Two input boxes we have now.
Yes.
Two input boxes values I want to add here. Okay. First input box, suppose for example, first input box. How to get the first input box? Sir, please mute yourself. Document dot get elements by tag name. Name of the tag is input. Rohit, please mute. Okay. Name of the input of 0 dot value. So whatever the value you entered, that value plus another input. Document dot get elements by tag name. Input of 1 value. But here my operation is what? Plus. Why? Because of we are doing addition. The first input box value plus second input box value. Two input box values I am trying to adding and assigning the result value into the Result of 0. Result of 0 is something like a heading. Result of 0. Result is the class. Result of 0. Okay. Finally, execute the program and try to enter some numbers here. 10 I am giving here. 20 I am giving here. When I go with the plus symbol, result is 120, 1020. What is the problem?
It's taking concatenation.
Yes, it is going with concatenation. It is going with concatenation. Why? Because of input boxes or this inputs by default will take a string data.
We can change it to interest.
Yeah, I need to change to integer. How to change to
Integer.
integer? How to change to integer? How to change these
Instead of
values into the integer?
Percent.
Percent. Yes, percent. Yeah, percent. Percent of. Then again percent of. Percent. Okay. Now refresh. Refresh your browser. Okay. Enter 10. Enter 20. Not getting. What's the issue? Check the issue. Inspector. I got the issue and got reference error. The line. Something is missing. Okay. Let me check it out. Percent of document dot get elements by one value. Okay. That is okay. Fine. And here also. Percent will be here. Okay, fine. Percent is going to be having here. Okay, that's fine. Now check it out. Enter 10, enter 20, and result value is 30. This is fine. This is fine. Okay. After taking the result, I need to clear the boxes. After taking the result, after giving the result, I need to clear the boxes. 10 and 20 is still available or alive. After getting the result, I want to clear the boxes. How to clear the boxes, sir?
You have to add the other button, clear button.
No clear
reset,
button.
reset button.
Let me do one thing. I make value empty now. I make value empty. That is better. I make value empty immediately after taking the result. After taking the result, value is equal to null. After taking the result, value should be null. 0 value null and 1 value null. Now you can check it out. Now you can check it out. 10 is there, 20 is there. Now click on the plus button. Yeah, that is working fine. That is working fine. Now you can go with the subtraction. You can go with the multiplication. You can go with the division. You can go with the percentile. You can go with the double star. All these operations can perform. Okay, I am giving only add functionality here. I am giving only add functionality here. Inside the script, I am writing add functionality. Inside the script, I am writing add functionality. The same way, I can go for the subtraction. Okay, let me keep the heading addition. Next, I go with the subtraction. Next, I go with the subtraction. Sir, this is understanding or not?
Clear, sir.
This process is correct or not? we are using event, and we are picking the values, and values are coming as text. You are changing that text into the numbers, then doing the arithmetic operation. That's it. And after taking the result, I am clearing the inputs. After taking the result, I am clearing the inputs. That is what the next line I am doing there. This is the addition program. This is the subtraction program. Keep the subtraction program. For subtraction program, and the class name is sub, and here event is okay. This is the sub functionality, and change the function as sub. For sub functionality, everything is same. Everything is same. Don't need to change anything. Only the operation you have to change. What kind of operation I need to perform here? Instead of plus, go for minus. Instead of plus, go for minus. That's what actually the thing. Okay, save it, run the program. Now enter 23, enter 3. Just make it minus 20. 20 minus 3, 20 only. Subtraction is working or not?
Working, sir.
Okay, addition, let me give the number. Addition is working, and subtraction is also working. Addition is working, subtraction is also working. Now you go for multiplication. Everything is simple, only the thing is you are changing the things. You are changing the function names and you are changing the operation. Changing the function name and changing the operation. That's it. Let's change this to result. Result below. Something like result below. Okay. Okay, so let me go with the one more operation, multiplication. Can I write all these things, or you people can write? I will write down.
Sir, could we use remove attribute for clearing the inputs?
Remove.
Remove attribute.
Mm, remove attribute. What kind of attribute you need to give them?
You saw us yesterday, na? Three attributes: set
Okay.
attribute, get attribute, and remove attribute.
That is value,
So
no?
while clearing the inputs,
No. That is value basically. Input. You
okay,
entered a value. That is not attribute. Attribute nothing but it should be something like title. It should be something like class. It should be something like ID. But that is value. You are entering value.
okay,
You are entering value. That value we need to make it zero. Make it empty.
mhm,
Remove attribute will not work out here.
okay.
Okay. So I go for the multiplication then. Multiplication also same. Just copy here. I will write down all the things. You can do practice later. And this one is a multiplication. The class name is multiplication, and here my function name is mul multiplication. And for multiplication, operation is different. What is operation? Arithmetic operation change. Now arithmetic operation is not minus symbol. Arithmetic operation is star symbol. Now check it out, working or not. 23 into 45. Okay, fine, working. Just give the small numbers, then you can understand. 2 4s are 8. That's good. Next, division I can go for. Can I check with the negative numbers? Can I check with the
Yes.
negative numbers? Okay. Okay. Minus 342, 567. Very good. Very good. Working. Let's go for the multiplication. Multiplication is also working now. 2 into 4. It's working fine. Okay. Let's go with the division. Okay. Three more operations are there. I'll close those operations here. And this is the multiplication. Then I go for the division. I go for the division. Division. Sir, this is static way. Static way I'm doing the calculator. But there is a one more way using by the if condition also case conditions. Using by the conditions also you can able to do the calculator. That program also I'll give you. This is the division. And this is the division. And this is the division. Change everything. And this is also division. I will write down all the operations here, then we will check the program. Division, change the operation to division. Change the operation to division. Right. Next, we go for the modulo division. Modulus. We'll go for the modulus. Modulus. Okay. Modulus. That class name is mod and function is mod. Mod. And modulo division, I need to get the reminder. For the reminder, you need to change the symbol to percentile. And one more is opponent value, power value, power operation. We are doing power operation also. Let's go with the power operation. Power. So for power, what is I given? OPP. Yeah? What the class I given there? OPP. Okay. Okay. This is something like OPP, and this is also OPP. Opponent or power both are same. Opponent power both are same. Let me check the power operation. Double star. Okay. See the program now. Addition is working, subtraction is working, multiplication is working. Now let me go with the division. 125 divided by 5. 125 divided by 5. 25. Is it correct? 100 divided by 10. What is output? 10 only. You give the big number divided by 56. Yeah, you will be getting the floating value. Yeah, that is correct. Divided by 335. That is correct. 10.31. And now I go with the modulus values. 23 modulus of 4. Remainder value 3. 3 will go in 24 4 times. How many times? Sorry. 25 15 divided by 4. 4 will go in 15 how many times? 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. What is the remainder then? 3 only. Okay. I give the big number. I give the big number. What is the remainder value? 16 remainder value. 16 remainder value. Okay. Now I can see the powers. 2 to the power of 3. 8. 45 to the power of 4. It's a big number seems. So this is a small calculator which is going to be having a beautiful operations which are going to be available there. If you want, you can check for ChatGPT. There are multiple ways of practicing the programming. You can take the multiple examples. You can take the multiple examples for the JavaScript calculator. If you want, you can work like a calculator, example program or example code. Now this code you can able to understand, sir. Why? Because after the events, we have done a lot of events now. And I already explored one project with your presence. With your presence, I explored one project now. Then you can able to easily understand how the program you can able to write. This guy also doing the same way, na? Whatever the operation we are doing. Can you take this and check it out? This is given by Google, Google AI. This is given by Google AI. Okay, let me see how this calculator is working. One more example. Take new, save it as calc1.html. I do use this. Errors are there or output is there. We don't know. Let me see. Open with live server. This is the big one, which is having good CSS. Which is the big one, which is having a good CSS. where you can able to work like operations. Okay, you can go like, it is not taking input. 447 uh, into 7 into 7, 3346, 3346. Okay, here I have the C option. You can click on the C option, it will go 897 multiply by 6. C operation. This is the real look for the calculator, right? This is a real look for calculator. Some CSS got applied. Some CSS got applied. Good CSS is there. You can use this CSS and minus number. You can use this. But functionality, you need to understand how the functionality is going on. You need to understand what the functionality here. Just try to observe. This is the program which is having a number of buttons. There are a number of buttons, and on click it is actually appending the number 7. Okay, on click. Okay, this is a nice operations. And current input, current operation, current in some good program. This is going to be having a calculate. See, I told already. I told this is going to be working with the conditions also. This is the condition, switch condition. In the switch condition, case plus, case minus, case star, case slash, and there are multiple operations. You can easily understand by this program also. Two programs I given. This program is a general way you can able to understand the calculator. In the general way you can write like this. In the general way you can write like this. Okay. In the programmatic way, one more kind
Sir,
of
what
way.
is append number?
Append number is something like a function which is already available somewhere. On the down you will be having a append number. Na? The down you will be having append number. It is going to be appending the number. Whatever the number you entered, that is going to be appended. Okay, this is working with ES6 actually. So we will start the ES6 classes very soon. Okay, after 3-4 days, I am start ES6. This syntax you need to understand. This syntax you need to understand. What is the dollar? What is this curly braces and all? ES6 JavaScript advanced library, something like modern JavaScript. Modern JavaScript features we need to understand. And this ES6 is very important for the React developers. When you people want to learn React.js, compulsory ES6 is needed. ES6, ECMAScript 6. Okay, now we are in ES5, but these features also we will discuss after 3-4 classes. After 3-4 classes, these features also we will discuss. No worries about it. Okay, so please do different kind of calculators, guys, from your side. That is a mini project on events. Later, we try to understand date functions. What are the date functions which are going to be available in JavaScript? Okay. Date is a predefined method. I will explore in the program. Save it as date functions. Date functions. Date functions dot HTML. Okay. Keep it. Now this is about date functions. Let me write down the script directly. Okay, I will do one thing. So I will print all the things using by document.write. You know document.write method, na? Did you
Yes, sir.
remember? Did you remember console.log, alert,
Yes, yes.
prompt, document?
Predefined functions.
Yeah, predefined functions. Initially, when the class JavaScript is started, that time I already given some idea about this document.write and console.log and alert box and prompt box, all these things. Okay, anyway, first of all, I want to define the date where d is equal to new date. Just define a date like this. Okay. This is a syntax for the date. Date is a predefined method. I am creating a new object called a d. And what is the d now? Okay, document.write d. Okay, just print it. Print it. Date method. This is the date method. I got a date. What is the current date today? Can you see the date? Total date is coming. Wednesday, October 22. 2025. Even time also came. Even time also came. If you refresh it, what is happening? Date is coming now. If you refresh it, seconds are changing. Huh? Okay. Let me see only date. After this, you can do a break also. Document dot write. I will write down the break here. Then after that, I want to see only date. D dot get date. Only date I want to see. D dot get date. It's a function. It's a function. Parenthesis compulsory. It's a function. Parenthesis compulsory. But whenever you are writing two statements in the same line, semicolon compulsory. Whenever you are writing two statements in the same line, semicolon compulsory. In between, semicolon mandatory. If you don't give the semicolon, it will not recognize as new statement. Whenever you are writing two statements in the single line, definitely you have to go with the semicolon, remember. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear? Okay. This one is giving you only date. Only date. What is the date today? 22. 22. Okay. I want to see day. What is the day today? What is the day today? D dot get day. Get day is the method. What is the day? It's 3. 3 means what, sir? 3 means what? Sunday 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3. How JavaScript is remembering the day here is Sunday starts with 0. 0 is the index. All the days are going to be storing in one array internally by the JavaScript, internally by the browser. Internally by the browser, Sunday treating as 0, Monday treating as 1, Tuesday treating as 2. Today is Wednesday, it is giving 3. That is the day. Even month also, month also same. January starting with 0. Okay, I will show the month now. Get month. It will give 10. It will give 10. 11. It will give 9, it seems. Get month. So imagine January is 0. Imagine January is 0. It will give 9. Yeah, 9. 9 only. January is 0. January is not 1. If January is 0, October basically 10, right? October month is 10th month. But 10th month it will give 9. Why? Because index is 9. Index is 9. Okay. Get a time. These are the different functions you can work out. Time. D dot get time. Get the time. So you can see the time also. What the time now? That is the time. Time in milliseconds. Time in milliseconds, sir. When you say time, it will give milliseconds. It will give milliseconds. When you ask time, it will give milliseconds. Right? Let me have the one more thing. Let me have the one more thing. I need to see get hours. Get hours. Get hours. Okay, hours. So now we are in it. Srinu, get hours. D dot get hours. See hours. Now we are in 8-hour mode. Okay. Now get minutes. get minutes. Minutes. I can see minutes also. 47 minutes. 8:47 now. 8:47 now. Seconds. Get minutes, get seconds, sir. Everything you can able to work with. All these are predefined methods on D. Predefined methods on D means predefined methods on date function. Get seconds. You can get seconds also. Get seconds also. Even get milliseconds also. Even you can get milliseconds also. Get milliseconds. Yeah. Get hours, get minutes, get seconds, get milliseconds, get a time, get a month, get a day, get a date. All these values are working on D. D nothing but what? Date. D nothing but date. Okay, all these are actually printing properly. This is the milliseconds are changing immediately. Even seconds also changing. Milliseconds are changing, seconds are changing. Minutes will take change within 60 seconds. That we know. That we know. Am I clear, guys? Everything clear about the date function? About the date function, everything is clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. So one simple announcement I just want to give you here. This announcement is October 28th, 2 days back, we started 45 days Marna full stack ML AI free. And one more batch I started like 45 days Python full stack ML AI 11 a.m. That is also free. No, these two batches are actually free batches. Even November 2nd, one more free batch is going to be starting. That is a 30 days Gen AI batch, free 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. If anybody not joined with this group's links, I will share the group link now. You can take the group link and you can able to join for the batch. Anybody joined for this? Not joined, huh?
I have joined, sir.
Okay, let me show the post. Maybe this is. If anybody not joined, please join with this link, or you can share with your friends also. I will give the link in the chat box. You can copy it now. You can copy it now, and just forward this message with your friends. Forward this message with your friends, and please make them join into the groups. Mohansh Technologies is going to be providing all the batches free, sir, in 2025. Enjoy all the advanced technologies. There is no like old technologies kind of things. You know Gen AI. What is the Gen AI, sir? Generative AI. On top of artificial intelligence, nowadays trending is generative AI. On top of the generative AI, next we will start the batch on agentic AI also. Agentic AI also. All the batches are free. All the batches are free. No need to pay money. You people join in the WhatsApp group now. If anybody not joined so far, please share these two messages with your friends or groups, or just keep the status also, guys. Please keep the status. I just want to see many people in 2025 need to uh, learn different new technologies like emerging technologies without paying 1 rupee, without paying money, without wasting time. And Mohan, she's going to be a trainer for all these things. Don't worry about it. Am I clear? Rohit, Vishnu, Mahesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.